Did you know there's a way to use Grok AI completely free without the daily limits? Most people don't know this trick. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for a lifetime, entirely free and without restrictions. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is sign out of your current Grok account. Once you've done that, go ahead and open a temporary email website. And to save your time, I've already added the link in the video description so you can easily find it there. Now, simply copy the temporary email address you see on that website. Then go back to Grok AI and choose the email sign-up option. Paste the temporary email there and continue with the sign-up process. Alright, next step. Grok will send a verification code to that temporary inbox. So just open the inbox, copy the code, and paste it back into Grok to complete the sign-up. Once the sign-up is finished, you'll be redirected to the Grok homepage. And from there, you'll be able to access the image and video generation features available on the free tier without using your personal email. Now, when the usage limits are reached, you have a few options. You can wait for the limits to reset, upgrade officially if you want more access, or simply manage your usage responsibly while following the platform's rules. Alright, that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.